Hi, this is Benny Bell with the Benny D. Bell Real Estate Group of Keller Williams, Napa Valley. And today, this video, I want to talk about how to prepare for an open house. There are a number of strategies, and we found that our strategy, our niche, we've worked out is we have a system built around it. So we like to do an open house at least once a week. So that looks like every Saturday between 12 and 3, we're hosting an open house. Now there are things that we need to do along that before that day comes to get prepared for that open house. So in preparation for that open house, we're marketing on social media, we're reaching out to our database, we're sending email blast, we're calling our database. So we're marketing that open house to as many people as we can, as many potential buyers as possible. So what that looks like is our Facebook page is we put an ad on Facebook and we blast that. We boost that out. We start that on Tuesdays, and we boost that all the way till the end of Saturday. Then we also do LinkedIn. We do Instagram. We're a member of a number of different real estate groups in the area, so we send the email blast out to all those groups, as well as the real estate groups. We contact the local realtors as well, and then also we door knock. So that's what we did today. So like I said, the open house is tomorrow. So everything that I just mentioned, we've already done. So tomorrow we host the open house, and we're prepared. We're ready. We've already done all of our marketing around the open house. We have our flyers. We've already passed out all of our flyers. At the open house, we don't actually have flyers. What we do is we have an iPad set up, and we have our visitors come in and sign in on our iPad, and then we email them directly all the information about the property as well as the neighborhood. So we give them market statistics, we give them information about schools in the area, all the way down to local restaurants. So, and that's another way of us being able to capture potential leads, potential clients, and being able to follow up with them to make sure that all their questions were answered, and just find out where they are in the process. If that particular home doesn't match their needs, then we're reaching out to them to find out what type of home they're looking for. So that way we can better suit their time by sending them properties that match their specific needs. So that's why we found that utilizing the iPad and utilizing, capturing that information, capturing their information there is a lot better than just passing out a flyer that, most people end up losing or throwing away anyways. So this is definitely adding more value to the potential buyer as well as us as agents. So with the door knocking, like I said, we do that the day before, and we try to do at least 30 homes, a minimum of 30 homes. Now it depends on the property. So here in Napa, we have price ranges that range anywhere for a single family home in the low fives for a move-in ready home, low fives on up to $20 million. So finding that sweet spot in Napa, you have a huge diversity of price points here. So this particular neighborhood is a suburb neighborhood. So the homes are on average square footage of the lots on average are right around 6,500 square feet. Properties are right around 1,300, 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So it's very easy to walk this particular neighborhood. So like I said, we did 30 homes. So depending on where the property is located in the neighborhood, we try to do 10 to the right, 10 to the left, and 10 across. So that way we're capturing at least all the immediate neighbors. We also have systems where, software systems that we're able to capture telephone numbers associated to the associated to the neighbors. So we also call the neighbors to advise them about the open house. And then depending on the time that we have with the property, if for instance, if it's one of our listings, then we have a neighborhood open house. So it's specifically for the neighbors. We try to set it up as we set it up as a VIP special engagement for the neighbors. This is only sent out to the neighbors. When we call them and when we door knock the neighbors, we advise them that this is only for you. This is, your time to come in and see what your neighbor's done to their home. If you have any ideas, you want to capture any ideas on how to upgrade your property, or if you happen to know anyone that's looking to move into your neighborhood, or it's a great. I tell them it's a great time to pick your neighbor. So, like I said, if it's one of our listings, then yes, then that's something that we do before we have the open house. So, so door knocking, it works. I've been successful in it, as well as I've been successful at it in finding potential sellers, and then also neighbors that know someone that has been looking and wants to move into that neighborhood. So don't have an open house if you're not wanting to door knock or invite the neighbors. They help. You need as much help as possible. I mean, why not? You just don't be that agent that just puts a sign in the yard and puts the home on the MLS and hopes that it's going to sell that way. You got to be more active, more proactive in selling and working for your clients. So the door knocking is essential, and that's definitely a part of our system. If you have any questions, reach out, and we'll put our telephone number and our email at the bottom of this post. Hope this helps.